Hey guys, please excuse the grossness that is on my face. I found some old footage while I was cleaning out, um, memory cards. Um, so yeah, if my hair looks really short in this next video clip, that's why. Um, so yeah, without further ado, let's get to the clip. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take you on another follow me around video, sort of. I had a lot of success with the last one, I guess, and a request, so I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna take you outside of my house. There are a pair of Canadian geese and a bunch of geeslings, or goslings, or whatever the technical term is, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm outside and I don't know how close I'm gonna actually be able to get before they decide to like come eat me. I don't really want that to happen. So I'm just gonna zoom in from here. Yeah, I already scared them. Yeah, so now they're in the water. So I have to find a new angle. Okay, so this has been another follow me around video. Pretty sure there is a bug trying to eat me right now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye!